Here's a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, two-door hardtop fastback. Underneath the hood, 390 V8, paired up with an automatic transmission. As you can see, silver with red interior, red highlights on the bright work. Just take a look at the front grille, headlights, surrounds. Front and rear bumpers on this one are fiberglass, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. The car is equipped with power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock carb and intake, aluminum radiator. It does have a pusher fan on it, and I'll show you where the switch is on the interior of the car for that. Now, as far as technicians went through this car, we have not had it out on the highway or taken it. We've had it in our frontage road parking lot out front. Before you take this car long trips or longer journeys, you may want to give it the once over. So to kind of sell it as running driving, we need some TLC. So it's being represented. The consignor chose to sell it that way. Just want to make you aware, but again, we'll start it up, let you hear it run and everything. 390 sounds good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, if you want to see the trunk pictures, the underside, the interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Interior red vinyl buckets. Take a look at the door panels. Tilt column. Does have a little aftermarket gauge cluster that has been added on each side of the dash where the original gauges would have been. Vinyl seats appear to be in nice shape. Not a ton of wear there, rips, tears, holes. Take a look at the headliner. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I did play around with it a little bit. The radio is working order. Wipers working order. Put those on for you. One swipe here. See those work. Again, radio working order. I did notice, I believe the heater hoses were hooked underneath the hood. We'll take a look under the hood in a second. And here it's got a nice little throaty rumble to it. There's oil pressure gauge working. Volts. I didn't look at that gas on the other side. Let's check this out a second. It appears there is power to the gauge, and it wants accuracy. Sometimes they're a little temperamental on the accuracy, but it seems that it does have power. It's moving. All right, let's slip around to the back so you can hear the exhaust note on this. There you get an idea how it sounds. A little rumble to it. All right, let me slip up to the front. We're going to pop this hood a second. Show you what it looks like underneath. And of course, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to show you on these. This is actually the hood release at one time. Let's see if I can get it one-handed.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. So new brake booster, master cylinder, and Edelbrock carb and intake, 390 V8, power steering, chrome dress up with a valve cover and air cleaner cover. Sounds good. 1963 Ford Galaxie XL. Two-door hardtop. Considered a fastback. You can go off the VIN and check that out. You'll see that in the still pictures also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, the number 507-386-1726.